Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and this is my unboxing of BoxyCharm for October. What is in the October box? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. I get the basic. It's about $25 a month. Ooh, Spellbound. And then it tells you all the items and the prices for all the items. And tells you, what's coming up, that kind of thing. Trezluce. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I Am Alma Shadow Palette. What is this magical Trezluce? Lashes. It's this little mini palette. And these are the colors inside. That is so pretty. I love the greens. I love this moss green and this mint green. And then there's this sort of shifty champagne-y. So it's like a little travel palette. I'm really excited about that. And it comes with the lashes. It's a brush set. So there's a set of 4 brushes. Also from Trezluce. So you could use this with your little palette. I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna be filming in a couple days. Maybe I will use the little brush set. Although I don't know if I want to use a new brush set that I haven't used before. Anyway, I'm thinking out loud, obviously. Okay, the next thing is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Oh, from Glow Recipe. I am digging Glow Recipe lately. Do you guys like Glow Recipe as well? This is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide. So this is a serum. Makeup removers. Okay, so I don't use these to remove my makeup except when I'm on set. And I was just thinking about how I'm out and I'm going to have to pick some more up. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be bringing this to the set of my movie Bat Squatch. I'll just tell you the name. It's called Bat Squatch. Pinky Rose, Pump Your Bass. No, I'm kidding. Pump Your Bass. Do I use makeup sticks? I don't think I really use makeup sticks, but I will now. I do use makeup sticks, but typically when I'm doing like graphic looks, arty looks, this kind of looks like a base color on me. That's everything in this box. I'm really happy with that. I'm happy with this. I'm super happy with Glow Recipe. I really feel like I do well with Glow Recipe. We get along. This I'll be taking on set. These I'll be taking on set. And I don't know, but I might take this on set, but I won't be taking these on set. But I like them, and I'll be using them another time. Let me know what you think of all this stuff. I'm really excited. And I know it's worth a lot more than the $25 that I purchased it for, and I will be using everything, so I'm pretty happy. Do you get BoxyCharm? Did you get different stuff in yours? What's going on? Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.